Hello! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Now, in settings, scroll down, find the option called sound and vibration and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called vibration intensity and select it. And here we can select between two levels of vibration intensity. We have moderate and strong. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to the watch face like this. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.